Hi, my name is Onsugochukwu Alfred, and folks call me the online millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. So, in today's training, I'm going to be showing you how to raise money with Remitano.com in case you are low on budget or don't have any money at all. So, you want to get into crypto and you don't have capital to buy your first set of crypto coins, or you cannot lay your hands on any resource at all, whether to borrow or anything. There's one of the ways that you can start without having any money at all, and one of those ways is affiliate, is by affiliate marketing. That's what we are going to be dwelling upon today. So in going to do that, what are you supposed to do exactly? How do you start? So it's a simple thing. It doesn't really take much. Once you log into the Remitano.com platform, it will lead you to this place. So when it leads you to this place, what you are going to see is exactly what you are seeing on the screen: invite friend, 40% bonus, dashboard. Then this place where you are seeing my name here, the online millionaire, is your profile. So all these other things that are here doesn't really matter. They don't count because I'm not here to teach you how these ones work. Okay, what I'm here to teach you is how to raise funds through affiliate marketing using Remitano as a platform. So there are ways you can go about that. One of the ways is simply to click here, which is this thing that you are seeing here, 40% plus 40% bonus. So it says share with friends now. You receive 40%, friends receive 0%. This is the referral link. You can also decide to go to your profile. Click on the little arrow by the side of your profile, and under the drop down you are going to be seeing invite friend, a button that says invite friend. So if I click on this button now, let's see what happens there. So I just clicked on the button and waiting for it to load. So once you click on the button waiting for it to load, it still brings you to this same page. You can refresh. See that I've just refreshed the page. So you can go back and click on that button and click on invite. So when you click on invite, it brings you still to the same place. So it's all the same thing. So this the leaderboard, people who have brought in the most people on the platform. So this one has earned about 21,730 USDT, and one USDT is almost $1, above $1. So this one have earned 28,071 USDT. This free money. This one has earned 20,850 USDT. So it's like this person have earned 28,000 plus USDT. That is like $28,000 plus, using just this referral program without really trading or doing any other thing. It's just free money. So if you have traffic or know how to get traffic on the internet, this money is yours. So you can raise up to $5,000, $1,000, $10,000, $15,000 if you know what traffic means. There are ways we can do this, like I said earlier, and one of those ways is to go here and click here, or to just go here. So in this case here that I am now, the system is showing that I am going to be taking the entire 40%. Peradventure somebody clicks on my link, the 40% goes to me. But if I want to split this 40% with anybody who is coming to me, that means the person will get some certain percentage of their trade when they use my link. I click on this exchange. Look at this exchange icon here. So I'm going to be clicking on the exchange icon here to show you what really lies beneath the exchange icon here. So I'll click on it. So it's going to be giving me some options. So if you look at this first one, say referral link lists. So the first link says you receive 40%, friends receive 0. So if I am that greedy, I can say, okay, let me just take all the money, my friend won't receive anything. So remitano.com/whatever join 2836350. Copy. If I copy this now, I get all the 40%. My referral doesn't receive nothing. So if I click on the second link below, I get 30%, my referral gets 10. If I click on the other one, I get 20%, my referral gets 20. If I click on the other one, I get 10%, my referral gets 10. So it depends on your choice. It depends on your choice. You know what you want. So if I want all of the 40% being offered to me without giving my referral anything, I can say let me take the 40%. If my referral opens the account, they can also take 40% of whoever that they will be referring to the platform. So what I simply need to do is to come here and click on this. Okay, then if I want to send to people who I have their email, okay, I want to refer them directly, all I need to do is to come here and let's say that this is one of my clients' email, for instance, or this, I can simply, this is one of my emails anyway, so I can simply type the email here and I just hit the send button. So it will send referral message to the person, and Remitano will keep reminding them until they click on my link to create their referral, their Remitano account, and actually fund it. But there are conditions to this which you must understand. So the conditions to earn the money, okay, you'll see it under this requirement, so I'm going to be reading them out for you. First one says that accounts that are identified by our system as clones of other accounts won't be used to calculate commissions. So if you have an account that is identified as a clone of another account, that it won't be used to calculate commission for you, so that if somebody clicks on such links from such accounts, that it won't be calculated for you. So the second one says that the commission only counts for the user as the role taker buyer. Okay, it only counts as the role taker buyer who takes the buy now offer, or the selling ads offer list. The next one is verification of a user's referral depends on the referral link used. If a visitor clicked on multiple different referral links and only the last link will be effective, that is, if he clicks on, let's say, 4 or 5 referral links of belonging to different people, that the 5th one is the one that is going to be effective, that's the one that is going to count for. So if you are the first person that the person clicked their link and went to buy from the 5th person, okay, 5th person's link, the money will count for the 5th person and not you. So Remitano also reserves the right to receive or reward a commission for specific cases and after the referral program at any point in time. So it doesn't really take much. So that's just all about having started with your referral program. So the next thing you might want to do is to go to bit.ly.com to shorten the link. Okay, so we are going to bit.ly.com to shorten the link of this referral link so that you can get on with your referral effort to make money. So you can, it depends on how you're able to source traffic, but if I'm going to be advising you, you can make use of YouTube to monetize this. So within 3 months, within 4 months, within 6 months, you might be able to generate up to $5,000, $10,000, $1,000, $3,000, depending on your level of skill and what you know how to do. And a dollar is 500 now. So if you're looking at $1,000, we are talking about 500,000 naira. $2,000, that's 1 million naira, and this is something you can achieve within 3 months. So I'm going to be going to bit.ly. So this is bit.ly.com, and I have the create orange button here. So I'm going to be clicking on the create orange button here. So I click on it, the create orange button, and I simply paste the Remitano link. Look at it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to just allow it to convert. So it converts and shortens the link. Look at the link. So this bit.ly bit.ly/3hn50ib is the same link as what I just pasted. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to copy it, and then when I copy it, I can decide to save it as Remitano. So I can decide to save it as Remitano. So just Remitano Remitano affiliate, so that I can track the link and know how many people that are clicking on it exactly. And this is where we come to the end of this particular training, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.